Welcome back, my friends. So I just finished quick unboxing video for this set here, Rosa Gallery watercolors. I think that it's made in Europe, and I'm not quite so sure exactly where, but yeah, it's not on the top of my head right now, but I'm sure it was mentioned. The language here is definitely not English at the back, but there are names in English for the colors and pigment numbers, and it says that it's professional watercolors. Yeah, it's definitely not on the top of my head right now where it is made. It just says here made in Europe, so I think that should be more than enough to know where it is made, you know. Yeah, so cardboard box, and I'll just quickly bring my sketchbook to swatch them. Okay, so it's easy to bring out like that. So I'm just gonna see, and hopefully it's not gonna take forever like when I do swatching. I think it's probably gonna be easy to come out because the wrap is not all over. So you can see at the bottom of it, it's got the name Rosa, and I can just simply peel that off like that. So you just have to go through on all the sides. So it's quite early in the morning, hopefully before the noise on the outside disturbs anybody. So I'm just going to try to hopefully get that done before the noise starts. So this is here, full pen size. Just want to make sure that I don't mix where the yellows are, and also because I've heard, and I'm not quite 100%, I haven't read any details on them yet. All I heard was that they do have real cadmium and they definitely won't be children's friendly, so that put me off a little bit to start with. But I thought if I just keep them away, only use them, you know, when kids are not around, and just make sure I quickly wash my hands after using them. Of course, you're gonna have to wash your hands after using mediums anyway in general, but just to be extra cautious. Yeah, I think it should be right. Yeah, just the idea of safety and what's toxic and what might not. But definitely I couldn't just go without having them to give them a try. So if you have them, please let me know what you think. If you don't have them, it's totally up to you. Definitely it's not a promotion. If you're happy to give something new a go, it's totally up to you. It's not like you have to buy something new at all. It's just how you feel and what you can and cannot afford. Things are just, you know, pile up and there's hardly any time to use anything, and you tend to feel guilty about that. And definitely I do, because I don't have enough time to do as many projects and as many paintings and as many, you know, as I would love to, but it is what it is. Just do what you can. And it's definitely very difficult that, you know, in the world of today, there are lots and lots of things coming out, and yeah, it makes it really hard. especially if you're someone who loves art supplies for the sake of art supplies, you know, which unfortunately is a separate hobby. You get that, you know, the hard way. You learn it the hard way. I did. It's like if you're like, oh, I love that, I love this, but you really don't question, do I have time to use it? Am I really going to use it? Yeah. I guess that's a talk for a different type of video. Okay, it's very exciting always opening these things. You feel like it's interesting because, yeah, it's like opening candy. I don't know, am I gonna, it's really the color number. Well, okay. Oh, what is that? I think this is the inner piece of the paper. Oh, gosh, yeah. Okay, that's weird. That's okay, I guess. Well, yeah. I'm just, you can see it's sticking them here. So I might be out of camera there. Feels a bit sticky, the paint, you know, I had to, you know, peel this off. That's the sticker, the inside of the sticker that was stuck inside. Yeah, the paint feels a bit sticky. Yeah, it's definitely feeling a bit sticky. I don't know, the sticker that gives the feeling, or also the paint. I think it's the paint as well. another red that looks pretty good. This one is violet. That's okay, I guess. Okay, almost halfway through. This one is green. Okay, I'm just thinking, how about we swatch this 12, and then do the rest in the next video. Oh, this is nice. So this is the cadmium lemon. So that's probably what I've heard about, that probably do have real cadmium in there. Okay, and this one here is a cadmium yellow deep. And this one is a golden yellow. This one is the cadmium orange. Oh gosh, yeah, lots of cadmiums. This one is cadmium red light. Oh gosh, it's just like the cadmium family of colors. This is cadmium red medium. And this one here is carmine. Oh, nice. I love that one. This one here is the mother red. I love the darker reds in general. And this one here is violet. Oh yeah, the colors are definitely rich. Cadmium or no cadmium, it's pretty, it's lovely. And this one here is the olive green. This one here is the green. Yep, no worries. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.